Good morning, this is National Weather Service meteorologist Matt Ludwig here with the Great Falls Weekly Weather Briefing for Thursday, February 11th, 2021. Unsurprisingly, the big story this week is that the Arctic air continues to grip the area. The coldest of this air will arrive today and tonight, with wind chills dipping below 50 below zero in some areas overnight tonight. Additionally, we'll see some areas of snow, mainly across southwestern Montana, today through Saturday, though accumulation should be on the light side. Lastly, keep in mind that with the continued cold, we are seeing rivers icing up, which may cause a few ice jams and localized flooding along area rivers. The most impactful aspect of the weather today and through the end of the week will continue to be the dangerously low wind chills, with most areas under a wind chill warning or advisory. Wind chill across the plains could dip to 50 below zero at times, with less extreme but still dangerously cold values further to the south. The second issue for today and tomorrow will be some light snow, mainly south of Helena and White Sulphur Springs. While most areas will see light snow, a few areas of heavier snow may occur, which may cause periods of reduced visibility and slippery roads. Wind chills will continue to be dangerously low today, with, as I mentioned before, with some areas seeing wind chill values under 50 below zero through the day today. And the worst of the wind chills will be overnight tonight, with some areas seeing wind chills dipping below minus 55 degrees Fahrenheit at times. Wind chills will moderate some over the weekend, but will still be dangerously cold on Saturday and Sunday. Actual air temperatures during this stretch will also be the coldest of these Arctic outbreaks so far, with many areas across the plains struggling to rise above minus 15 degrees today. The core of the Arctic air will move through overnight tonight, with low temperatures dropping below 30 below zero for most of the plains, with some areas likely dipping below 40 below zero overnight tonight. Temperatures will begin to moderate Friday and Saturday, though many areas on the plains will remain below 0 degrees through the day on Saturday. In addition to the cold, a few periods of light snow are expected across southwest Montana through the end of this week. While accumulations should generally be on the light side, a few periods of heavier snow are possible, which may cause reduced visibility and slippery roads. There is some light at the end of the tunnel, however, as temperatures should continue to moderate as we head into early next week. Most of the plains should rise above 0 degrees for the first time in nearly a week on Sunday, and then break 10 degrees on Monday, with some areas even getting into the 20s and 30s. The warm-up will continue into early next week, with some of the valleys climbing below freezing by midweek. I do want to note that while we will warm up next week, there is still some uncertainty with regards to how quickly we do so. Some areas may remain on the cold side for an extra day or two, compared to what is shown here. That is all for this week's weather briefing. Make sure to stay up to date on the forecast by continuing to check our website, weather.gov/Great Falls, as well as our social media pages on Facebook and Twitter, which can be found by searching what is seen on the screen here. Have a great week and stay warm.